Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bathtub paint is probably one of the most transformative home improvement projects you can undertake, breathing new life into your bathroom without the hefty price tag of a full replacement. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing, applying, and maintaining a stunning, renewed bathtub finish, saving you time, money, and effort in the process. We will explore the various types of bathtub paints available, their pros and cons, and provide expert tips for achieving a professional-looking result that will last for years to come. Number 5. Rust-Oleum Tub Refinishing Kit. Transform your old, worn-out tub and tiles with this easy-to-use kit. It's a complete solution for a durable, renewed finish. This powerful formula combines strength and ease of application. It's designed to resist moisture and corrosion for long-lasting results. For best results, make sure to mix parts A and B separately, then combine them for 2 minutes. Use it within 6 hours of mixing. One kit covers up to 110 square feet. 2 coats are recommended for optimal protection and a beautiful finish. Allow 1 to 2 hours between coats, and let it dry completely for 3 days before using water. Proper ventilation is important during application and drying. Always prepare the surface properly and read the instructions carefully before you begin. It self-levels to minimize brush marks for a smooth finish. What we like. This 2-part epoxy formula is tough and resists moisture. It's perfect if you need to cover a large area. If you're looking for a durable, long-lasting solution for a big bathtub or tiled area, this is the kit for you. What people say. The finish is beautiful. With 2 weeks having passed since I used the kit, the result looks great and I highly recommend it. If you let the product sit for a few minutes, it goes on a bit better. First coat on just the tub, you could see brush lines and roller lines, but after the 3rd coat, it covered all that and looked very smooth. Number 4. Rust-Oleum Tub and Tile Spray Paint. Give your bathroom a fresh, new look with ease. It's the perfect solution for updating your ceramic, porcelain, or fiberglass surfaces. This innovative spray paint is a one-step process, saving you time and effort. Just spray and let it dry for a stunning finish. It's formulated to withstand moisture and extreme temperatures, ensuring long-lasting results in even the toughest bathroom environments. It dries to the touch in just 15 minutes, and a single can covers up to 15 square feet. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can transform your space. Get a smooth, glossy, porcelain-like finish that's completely waterproof. It's the perfect way to revitalize your bathroom's look. With its durable and corrosion-resistant finish, remodeling your bathroom has never been easier. Enjoy a beautiful, long-lasting update. What we like. This spray paint is incredibly easy to apply and dries quickly. It's ideal if you want a quick and convenient refresh. If you prefer a simple, no-fuss approach and don't mind a smaller coverage area, this is the best option. What people say. It works great. It has been several weeks now and is holding fine to daily showers plus cleaning. It's no doubt that this product works. Restored my old sink back to its white color. Great coverage, easy to use. I painted my sink in 5 minutes. Number 3. Ekopel Pour-On Refinishing Kit. It provides a brilliant gloss finish that revitalizes your bathtub, giving it a new look. This ensures a durable, long-lasting surface for a pristine appearance. Enjoy a safe and easy refurbishment. It's odorless and non-toxic, perfect for indoor use without compromising safety. This offers unmatched durability, built to withstand daily use and maintain its shine for years. It's the most durable solution for a long-lasting finish. With its easy pour-on, single-coat application, you can effortlessly rejuvenate your bathroom. No professional help needed. Made in the USA, it reflects superior quality and craftsmanship. You can trust in its reliable performance. What we like. This kit is odorless and requires only 1 coat for application. It's great if you're sensitive to smells or want a fast project. If you value a safe and easy application process with long-lasting results, this is the one for you. What people say. Great finish and look. Relatively easy to do. The paint is beautiful white and hard as a rock. Number 2. NADAMOO Tub Refinishing Kit. This kit has everything you need to refinish your bathtub, tiles, or sink. It's easy to use and provides a beautiful, durable finish. You'll receive a complete kit including the refinishing compound, hardener, brush, roller, and all necessary masking materials. Everything is included for a stress-free project. Simply mix the two parts of the compound, apply it with the roller or brush, and let it dry. It's that simple. It creates a semi-gloss, durable finish that will last. Make sure to wait the full 7 days for complete curing before using hot water. It works on porcelain, ceramic, fiberglass, stone, and plastic. Perfect for tubs, sinks, showers, and more, in any home or apartment. This water-based formula has less odor and creates a beautiful, long-lasting finish. One kit covers approximately 50 square feet. With the NADAMOO Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit, you can easily update your bathroom without the cost and hassle of a full replacement. Enjoy your renewed space. What we like? This complete kit includes everything you need for a DIY project, and the water-based formula is low odor. It's perfect for those who want a hands-on experience. If you enjoy DIY projects and want a durable, semi-gloss finish, this kit is a great choice. What people say. This truly is the best tile paint you will find for your bath or shower. When I ordered and applied NADAMOO's tile paint, it was very easy to mix and apply, was odorless, and left a nice thick, clean finish. What a difference. Not only just in smell, this paint is barely noticeable in smell and less smelly than typical wall acrylic paint, but this paint is so much easier to apply than Rust-Oleum. Packaged supplied everything you need. This coverage took 3 light coats. I used the brush for grout likes the first coat then rolled. I am very happy with the results. It looks and feels like it will once fully cured. Number 1. Ekopel Roll-On Refinishing Kit. Say goodbye to old, worn-out tubs. With Ekopel's easy roll-on application, you can refinish your tub in just a few hours. It's the most durable solution on the market. It's so simple to use, just roll it on. This kit makes refinishing your tub a breeze, even for first-timers. Watch our free step-by-step videos for guidance. It only takes 24 hours to cure, so you can enjoy your newly refinished tub quickly. For best results, maintain a temperature of 72 degrees Fahrenheit in the bathroom. It's compatible with porcelain, fiberglass, acrylic, and cast iron surfaces. Refinish your bathtub, shower, or even your sink with ease. Transform your bathroom without the high cost of professional refinishing. It's perfect for clawfoot tubs, bathtubs, showers, and more. DIY your dream bathroom. It's 20 times thicker than other refinishing kits, ensuring a long-lasting, durable finish. Plus, it's odorless, making the process more pleasant. Save money by doing it yourself. This kit is perfect for renters, homeowners, and anyone looking for an affordable way to update their bathroom. What we like? This kit features a user-friendly roll-on application and a quick 24-hour cure time. It's perfect for those who want a fast and easy project. If you want a simple, fast, and effective way to refinish your tub, this is the ideal option. What people say. The more you prep and scrub the surface, the better the results. This product comes with detailed instructions on what to use to prep the surface you are using it for. Put the majority of your time into the prep. It rolls on easily, and there is ample product to cover a much larger surface. This low-odor coating was a dream to apply, covers easily and does not run if you don't apply too much on vertical surfaces. The finish is hard dash. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.